Good morning, children. Welcome to mathematics class, chapter 4, exponents and powers, part 9. In today's class, you are going to learn the sums from exercise 4.2, that is how to convert the standard form into the usual form. In previous class, you learned how to convert the given large and small numbers of usual form into standard form you converted. And now in today's class, how to convert the large and the small numbers of standard form into a usual form. So let us see how to convert that. So the first question, 4.37 into 10 to the power of 5. This is in standard form. So you must convert this into the usual form. Just see. 4.37 and 10 to the power of 5. How you are going to write? 1 followed by 5 zeros. And then 4.3, write 437 followed by how many zeros? 5 zeros. Write it then. In this you already learned the decimal multiplication in class 411, 4th standard, even in 5th standard, even in 6th standard also you learned how to multiply the decimal numbers. So when you multiply, as usual, you write 437 followed by 5 zeros. But here, 2 digits before decimal is there. So even in the answer also, 2 digits before you keep the decimal and cancel these two zeros. There is no value for these two zeros after the decimal. So the answer is 437,000. Now, the second one, 5.8 into 10 to the power of 7. So write 5.8 as usual and write 10 power 7 in expanded form, that is 1 followed by 7 zeros. Now write this product as 5, 8 followed by how many zeros? 7 zeros you write. But here 1 digit before decimal is there. So even in the product also keep 1 digit before decimal. Then cancel this 0. It has no value after the decimal. So cancel it. So the answer is 5, 8 followed by 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, next one. How to convert this 32.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 in the usual form. You see here, 32.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Negative power is there, so you must write this as 32.5 by 10 to the power of 4. Using the law, a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Then expand 10 power 4. 1 followed by 4 zeros. How to convert this complete one to the division form? Denominator, how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. So in the numerator, you must keep the decimal 4 digits. You have to shift the decimal 4 digits towards the left hand side. So already decimal is placed over here. So with respect to this decimal, you have to shift the same decimal to 4 digits towards the left side. Left side we have only 2 digits, but 2 more digits we require because we have 4 zeros are there. So 2 more digits we require. So when there is no digits here, we must keep zeros. So it is shifted here 1, 2, and third place you keep 1 0, and then fourth place also keep 1 more 0. Then keep decimal. Will not write any decimal like this with 0.00325. So to avoid the confusion, so you must keep 1 0 before the decimal. So 0.00325. So once again, I'm telling children, you see here, negative power is there. So you must write negative power as 32.5 by 10 power 4. Then expand 10 power 4 as 1 followed by 4 zeros. And then denominator, how many zeros are there? You shift the decimal towards the left side of 4 digits. So here, the decimal is first moving from here to here, first digit. Then here to here, second digit. Then other two digits are not there. So keep 0, 1, 0. Then it shifted to third digit and keep another 0, it shifted to 4 digit. So 4 digits are completed. So mark a decimal, shift this decimal from here to there, and then before that you keep one more 0. And the 5 you write as it is. So 0.0032, already one decimal, the decimal is shifted here. Again, no need to keep decimal over here. So the answer is 0.00325. Next, fourth one, 3.71529 into 10 to the power of 7. So write first 3.71529. 10 power 7 means 1 followed by 7 zeros. Write the product first. 371,529 0.000000708. Now here decimal is 5 digits before decimal is there. So even in the product also, you keep the decimal 5 digits before. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep the decimal. Now cancel all these zeros. It has no value. Then the answer is 3715290. And negative power. When negative power is there, you'll get the answer in 0 point something, you'll get the answer. When positive power is there, you'll be getting the numerical along with the followed by zeros. Remember that. Here negative power is there, so you'll get the result in 0.00 something, you'll get it here because negative power. Here positive power is there, that's why you'll be getting the numerical followed by zeros. Now see how to convert this. 3789 into 10 to the power of minus 5. You write here 3789 into 10 power minus 5 as by 10 power 5 because a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Then see 3789 by 10 power 5 means 1 followed by 5 zeros. That means is there any decimal here in this question, in this numerator? No decimal. When there is no decimal here in this, you must treat that here decimal is at the last. Here decimal is there. When there is no decimal, the decimal is after 9. So now how many digits you have to count here? Because 5 zeros are there. From 9 you have to count 5 digits towards left side of 9. That means here see, you see there, that is 1 and then 2, 3 and 4. Fifth one is not there, so keep 0. Then keep the decimal, then keep 1, 0. So the answer is 0.03789. Now the next one is sixth one, 24.36 into 10 power minus. These all are smaller numbers. So negative power means I said 0 point something, you'll get the answer. So first you convert this into this 10 power minus 3, you can write it as 224.36 by 10 cube because a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. And then 24.36, 10 cube we can expand it as 1 followed by 3 zeros, that means 1000. Now how many zeros are here? 3 zeros. That means shift this decimal towards the left side. How many places? 3 places you have to shift. That means 1 and 2. Third one is not there, so keep 0. So the decimal actually here in the question, in this previous step, so it is shifted to 1, 2 and 3. Keep the decimal and then 0. Other two digits as is you write because already the decimal is shifted before. So without decimal you should write it. So the answer is 0.02436. Now, third question. Express the following information in standard form. Size of the bacteria is 0.0000004. So, how to convert this into standard form? This is usual form. You have to convert this into standard form. First, we can write this as 4 by in place of decimal 1 and after decimal, how many digits are there? Along with 4, count and write, keep that many zeros. So 4 by 1 followed by 7 zeros. Now we can write the same thing as 4 by 10 power 7. Separated 4 into 1 by 10 power 7. A 1 by a power n is equal to what? A to the power of minus n. So we can write this as 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7. This is the standard form of the given question. Now second one, speed of light is 3 followed by 8 zeros meters per second. So how to convert it? 3 followed by 8 zeros. We can write this as 3 into 1 followed by 8 zeros. How you represent 1 followed by 8 zeros? 10 to the power of 8. So the answer is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. So my dear children, I hope you might have understood today's content very well. Practice the content very well, and because the second method, that is how to convert the standard form into the usual form. That is that content you have learned today. Practice well, and your assignment also will be given. How many times you should write it? I will give in the assignment one. Thank you, my dear children. Thank you, one and all.